Finding the best gaming headset can be so hard, with so many products all claiming to be the exact same thing. In this video, we break down the top 5 gaming headsets on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. We'll be looking at headsets in every budget range, so whether you're interested in a good, affordable gaming headset or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have the perfect product for you. If you're interested in finding out which gaming headset will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the SteelSeries Arctis 7P7X, our pick for best all-rounder headset for consoles. The SteelSeries Arctis 7P and 7X wireless headsets are designed specifically for console gaming, with the 7P optimized for PlayStation 5 and the 7X designed for Xbox Series XS or the Xbox One, although either model is also a solid choice for PC use too. Each of these gaming headsets are mostly identical, with some minor design differences. For example, the 7X has a chat mix dial to regulate the audio mix that only works on Xbox consoles, while the 7P has a similar side tone dial that is specific to the PS5. Both feature lossless 2.4 GHz wireless, a bidirectional microphone, and great battery life. Both designs use an adjustable headband to distribute weight evenly, and is held in place with a Velcro closure to set the best fit. And for a comfortable fit, the ear cups are padded with memory foam. Controls on the ear cups offer easy access to volume, mic mute, and the chat mix and side tone dials touched on earlier. There's also a 3.5mm jack for wired audio and a micro USB port for charging. There's a retractable mic, and each headset's respective mix control dial lets you customize the mix between the mic audio and in-game sound. The power button is also located here and pulls double duty, showing you the remaining battery level using an LED indicator. Setup is as easy as plugging the USB-C dongle into your PS5, Xbox, or PC and downloading the app. But if you're looking for a more premium headset for PS5 and Xbox, check out the Astro A50 coming up later in the video. Inside the app, you can pair the headset with the dongle, change EQ settings, modify the mic level, compression, and more. The 7P7X's sound quality is pretty strong and accurate across the board. Whether it's gunfire in an FPS, dialogue in an adventure game, or the sweeping musical score in your favorite role-playing game, the Arctis 7P7X does a great job of balancing voice work and music, with a rich, vibrant soundscape and a good balance between bass and treble. If you're looking for a gaming headset that's optimized for your PS5 or Xbox, the SteelSeries Arctis 7P7X wireless headsets are a good choice and can even be used with your PC. Next up, the Razer BlackShark V2, our pick for best wired gaming headset. The Razer BlackShark V2 is a wired gaming headset that offers ultra-low latency that's ideal for competitive gaming, no issues with batteries, and wired tech is cheaper, so it's a more budget-friendly option for you. This headset is comfortable enough to wear for extended gaming sessions and delivers decent sound quality for both games and music. The headset is almost entirely black, with a smooth matte finish and a green Razer logo displayed on each ear cup. The left cup has a volume control that allows easily accessible adjustments, so you can modify the volume intuitively without interrupting your game, by giving you a click that you can feel when you're at 50% of the volume scale without the need for visual contact. The ear cups are very soft, with cooling, gel-infused memory foam that produces some passive noise cancellation while reducing clamping force, which is great if you wear glasses. The headband is similarly padded, and overall comfort is further heightened by the headset's light weight. The left ear cup is also where the detachable cardioid microphone sits. The mic capsule is perched on a flexible boom and is mutable using a switch on the rear of the left ear cup. The main audio cable isn't detachable, but is a SpeedFlex cable that's flexible and won't get bunched up. But if you're not a fan of wired headsets, Razer offers the BlackShark V2 Pro for around $50 more. Sound is produced by two Triforce 50mm drivers that offer decent sound quality, especially in games where the audio cues are important, and the included USB sound card gives you support for THX 7.1 spatial audio that expands the soundstage and makes directional audio more prominent and gaming more exciting. If you're looking for a wired gaming headset that will let you focus more on gaming and less on connections and battery life, the Razer BlackShark V2 is a good choice for you. Next up, the Razer Kraken X, our pick for best budget gaming headset under $50. If you're shopping for an affordable gaming headset that will be compatible with practically everything you own, the Razer Kraken X might just be the perfect product for you. The Kraken X will work with your PC, PS5, and Xbox Series XS, Nintendo Switch, and more. This headset offers pretty good comfort, and even though it's a budget model, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into the design. Channels in the ear cups allow the arms of your glasses to pass through to reduce clamping pressure, and each ear cup is well padded, as is the top headband, which also features a glossy Razer logo on the top. Inside each ear cup, there's a custom-tuned 40mm neodymium driver that produces a frequency response of 12 Hz to 28,000 Hz, and controls mounted on the left ear cup include a volume wheel and a mute switch. For in-game voice chat, a non-retractable cardioid mic is attached to the headset. The mic's pickup pattern favors sound from the front and sides and rejects sound from the rear, making it great for keeping background noise down. The 7.1 virtual surround adds a lot to the overall soundscape. There's a boost in low frequencies, so in-game explosions and other loud sound effects are enhanced, while mid and high-range sounds like voices are very clear. But because the virtual surround is software-based, it will only work with your PC, not your console. If you're looking for an affordable gaming headset that has a solid build and 7.1 virtual surround, the Razer Kraken X is a decent choice for you. Even though the virtual surround isn't available on consoles, the sound quality is still good enough to make it worthwhile. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily, with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like, and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next, the Logitech G Pro X Wireless, our pick for best wireless gaming headset for most people. If you're looking for the best combination of price, sound quality, and comfort, the Logitech G Pro X Wireless is probably going to be the best gaming headset for you. This headset has a premium look and feel with spun metal inserts on the side of the ear cups with a two-tone chrome and blue-gray finish, and a faux leather-covered headpiece with exposed coiled wires running to each earpiece that give it an old-school look. A pair of velour earpads is included in the box. Controls on the G Pro X are simple, with everything happening on the left ear cup. There's a USB-C port that charges the 20-hour battery, a power switch, volume wheel, and a mute button for the mic on the back. The non-retractable mic performs clearly in games, but is removable if you just want to use these as headphones. Audio on the Logitech G Pro X Lightspeed Wireless is enhanced by 7.1 surround sound that adds a lot to the overall gaming experience, helping you hear opponents creeping up behind you or where a shot is coming from. There's also enough low-end thump to make up-close shotgun blasts something you feel a little bit, rather than just hear. If you're looking for a good wireless gaming headset that could do double duty for working at home, conference calls, and all kinds of media consumption, the Logitech G Pro X wireless gaming headset is a great choice for you. Finally, the Astro A50, our pick for best overall gaming headset. The Astro A50 offers excellent wireless gaming sound and comes in two different flavors, one for PlayStation 4 or 5, and one for Xbox Series XS and Xbox One. But whichever version you go with, each also works with your PC. This premium headset has a lot to offer. Above everything else, you'll get excellent comfort and sound quality that's wrapped up in a solid ergonomic form factor. The velour-like covers around each ear cup are soft and breathable, and the headset is highly adjustable, so there's always a comfortable configuration for everyone. Deep tweaking of the settings is available through the Astro Command Center app, but for quick on-the-fly adjustments, you'll find a lot at your fingertips through the on-headset controls. A flip-up microphone is attached to the left ear cup that mutes when you flip it up. Inside each ear cup, there's a 40mm neodymium driver for great sound, whether you're listening to music, dialogue, or in-game audio. The Xbox version has the additional enhancement of Dolby Atmos, which provides a more accurate and immersive sound experience. This headset also comes with a wireless charging dock that keeps you informed of the battery life indicator and your audio equalization preset, and the 15-hour battery life will have you covered for lengthy gaming sessions. Once you're done for the night, just slip them back into the dock and they'll be charged up and ready to go the next day. And to help you conserve battery life, the A50 has an auto shutoff feature that kicks in when the headset remains still for a set period of time. If you're shopping for a premium wireless headset that's optimized for your PC, PS5, or Xbox Series XS, the Astro A50 is an excellent choice for you. With a convenient power dock, power-saving features, and clear, accurate audio, the A50 will make all of your gaming sessions a lot more fun and exciting. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.